Developing country like Vietnam is not legally binding for the responsibility to climate change. And do you think that the reaction to climate change in country like Vietnam? And the second question is how to increase the awareness of people toward climate change. For example, the private sector, how to persuade them to stick to more fuel efficient.
I think it's very clear. Historically, Vietnam is not responsible for climate change. That's true. What I said already is that Vietnam is, however, suffering from climate change. So it is in Vietnam's interest to also look at the causes of climate change. Whether it is just or not, it is in Vietnam's interest. And the same is true for China. China didn't cause it, but it is suffering it. So it must act. That's the first thing. You said legally binding. Legally binding treaty is what everybody who refers to that, what they really mean is legally binding emissions reductions by developed countries. That's the primary thing that we failed to get in Copenhagen. Will we get it in Mexico? I don't think so. Do we need it? Sure. We absolutely need it. Do we get it sometime without China, India, Brazil, but also Vietnam, Indonesia, and so on? Without those countries making a commitment to doing better, I think politically no. Now, is that bad for Vietnam? Well, politically it is maybe questionable, but practically, is Vietnam already doing something on energy efficiency? Yes. So why does it not tell the world? Yeah? Can Vietnam earn money with an example like I gave you there? Sure. There is no objection. It's only good for Vietnamese. So why does Vietnam not tell the world? So what is happening right now between countries in ASEAN, as well as China and India and so on, is that actually the technical people are starting to gather that evidence. So it becomes politically valuable. It can say to the United States and Europe, we are already doing a lot. Here is how much we are doing. And yes, we will work harder. You need to help us in working harder, but we will do it. Now, this is already happening, and I think that will be the solution to the political problem. So I understand the right question, but I think Vietnam can play a positive role in breaking the jam log between the political blocks of countries. Awareness. Now, the UN and some parts of the government are trying to promote things, and I think that is gradually taking root. So I think the Vietnamese private sector is gradually starting to adopt some green technology simply because it makes money. The sector has one objective, mostly, and that is make money. If you can make money by having green and clean technology, you will use it, unless you are unaware of it. So you must be aware of it. Are there enough technicians working in Vietnamese factories who can help that process? The answer is not yet. The Vietnamese universities, Vietnamese colleges need to teach different things fast. Skills need to change fast. There is a lot of investment required in the education sector. And that's a reality not from Vietnam only, it is true all over the world. So this is a very, very big challenge.